Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been searching for a product that combines skincare and makeup seamlessly, let's talk about something that might just be the perfect fit for your routine. Today, we're reviewing Erborian's BB Cream Matte Beauty Balm SPF 20, a product that promises to even out your skin tone, conceal imperfections, and offer a natural matte finish. But does it live up to these claims? Let's dive in. Erborian's BB Cream Matte is a hybrid skincare and makeup product that has quickly gained a loyal following. It's designed to not only even out your complexion, but also provide moisturization while offering buildable coverage. It's enriched with a few key ingredients that help with skin hydration and tone evening. The inclusion of SPF 20 adds a layer of sun protection, which is always a bonus in a BB cream, especially for those days when you're in a rush, but still want to keep your skin safe from harmful UV rays. I'll be honest, when I first started using this BB cream, I was curious about how it would blend into my skincare routine. As a busy woman juggling work, content creation, and everyday life, a product like this could be a game changer. So I began by applying it in the morning after my usual skincare routine and before heading out. The first thing I noticed is how lightweight it felt. It wasn't thick or greasy, and it blended effortlessly into my skin. The texture was silky smooth, making it easy to apply with my fingers or a brush. The finish was definitely matte, which is great for anyone with oily skin or for those who prefer a shine-free look. I was pleased to see that it didn't cling to dry patches or settle into fine lines, which is a common issue I've had with other matte foundations. It provided a smooth, even base without looking cakey or overly dry, which is often a concern with matte formulas. During my testing, I found that the coverage was buildable, which is ideal for customization. On days when I wanted lighter coverage, one layer worked perfectly to even out my complexion and mask redness. On days when I needed more coverage to conceal blemishes or dark spots, adding a second layer did the trick without feeling heavy. This flexibility in coverage really sets it apart from other BB creams. Now let's talk about how it wears throughout the day. I applied the BB cream in the morning, and by midday, my skin still looked fresh with minimal shine. However, by the end of the day, I did notice a slight fading in areas where I typically get oilier, like my T-zone. But overall, it lasted well and didn't break apart or settle into fine lines, which is a common issue I've encountered with other products. When it comes to the value for money, at 1.5 fluid ounces, this BB cream comes in a compact size. While it's priced on the higher side for a BB cream, the fact that it combines skincare benefits, SPF, and makeup in one product makes it a worthwhile investment, especially if you're someone who prefers a multifunctional product. The added SPF 20 is an essential bonus, considering how many of us overlook sun protection in our daily makeup routine. Is it worth the price tag? If you have oily or combination skin and are looking for a matte finish with buildable coverage and skincare benefits, then yes, it offers a natural, long-lasting matte look without feeling too heavy. If you have dry skin, you may want to layer it over a hydrating primer or consider an alternative with a more dewy finish. If you're on the hunt for something similar, but more affordable, there are other BB creams out there that offer similar benefits, such as Maybelline's Dream BB Fresh, which is more budget-friendly and also provides a light coverage and SPF. However, Erborian's formula is unique in the way it blends skincare with makeup, and if that's what you're looking for, this product delivers on that promise. I didn't have direct experience with Erborian's customer service, but the brand has a good reputation for responsiveness and addressing any issues with their products. If you're ever in need of assistance, you can trust that they'll be quick to assist. So, where does Erborian's BB Cream Matte stand overall? For its smooth, matte finish, buildable coverage, and added SPF protection, it's an excellent option for those seeking a natural, flawless look with the added bonus of skincare benefits. However, those with dry skin may want to take extra care when applying, and consider how well it holds up to your skin's unique needs. If this review has been helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on more honest beauty reviews like this one. And if you're itching to get your hands on this BB cream, you'll find the link in the comments. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried this BB cream or have any other products to recommend, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.